Hi my lovely viewers, this is Hello IT World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to manage of downloads open office files in the browser in the Microsoft Edge in Windows 11. So for this case we will go to the Microsoft Edge browsing site where I have pinned in here. So click this and go to the three dot bar icon. So click this here. So go to the settings. So in settings we will go to the download. See, so here the third option, open office files in the browser. So that means if this settings is on, office files, that means lots of file presentations, spreadsheets, documents will open automatically in the Microsoft Edge instead of downloading to your device. So I have on it before, so now I want the off this. See, in this way we can off these things. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.